Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen, my living room, my dining room. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Starting off by cleaning my kitchen, I like to get the sink all cleared with all the dishes, so I'm going to be loading up the dishwasher. In today's video, I really wanted to focus on deep cleaning my kitchen, so I am wiping off my counters with some bleach. I do like to use bleach in my kitchen. I feel like it cleans away all the germs. So I am just moving all of my stuff out of the way so I can really clean behind everything. Honestly, sometimes when I am cleaning, I just clean around things, to do a quick wipe down, but today I am deep cleaning, so I am moving everything to make sure I get everything cleaned properly and give it a good deep clean. Now I am putting everything back, and then I am going to move to the other side of my kitchen to clean up the other counters. I feel like I always have so much clutter on my kitchen counters. So now I am just taking everything off the counters so I can get a good deep clean under and behind. Okay, so now that I'm done cleaning my kitchen, I would like to show you guys some of my favorite home decor things I have for my kitchen. Okay, so I have these two containers. They are both from Marshall's. I just have tea in one and sugar in the other one. Here is my fall candle. It is pumpkin cinnamon bun. It's from Bath and Body Works in its cute little holder. I got this little milk container from Walmart. I got a bunch of these little pumpkins from Hobby Lobby along with this thankful sign and the Hello Pumpkin sign. And then moving over, I have this blanket ladder that I got from Hobby Lobby along with the towel. This little wax warmer that I don't have wax in, but it's super cute. And I have this tiered tray with this pumpkin, this little cup, those are both from Hobby Lobby, and this pumpkin patch farm sign. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break from cleaning to make some coffee. I'm gonna show you guys what ingredients I use and how I make it. So Delight vanilla and then French vanilla coffee mate creamer. Okay, so here is my frother. It's an electric frother. I love it so much. I'm just pouring my vanilla coffee mate creamer inside and I'm gonna froth it. While my creamer is frothing, I'm going to get my glass out. I like to fill it up with ice, and then I shake my coffee up just to get it a good mixture. I pour it in a little over halfway. I like to give enough room for my frothed creamer. And now I'm just going to pour it in. It looks so satisfying. Now I'm going to stir it. Okay, so now back to cleaning. I am putting on my gloves. I'm gonna clean up my kitchen sink. I'm just removing everything and I'm gonna give it a good spray down just to get all of the food down the drain. Okay, so my kitchen is all clean now. It looks so good. I'm just making sure that I have everything put back in its spot and I didn't miss any spots on my counter. Now I am just cleaning off my kitchen table. Okay, so now I am going to be cleaning up my living room. I'm just folding my blanket, fixing the pillows on my couch, tidying up everything in there, making it look nice and homey again. Now I'm going back in my dining room and I'm just going to wipe down my table and get it all clean. I feel like my dining room is one area that is always super messy. I do have 2 young boys and they always get crumbs and food stuck to everywhere. It's definitely a big challenge to keep my dining room clean. Okay, so now I'm going to be folding some laundry on the couch. I always have a ton of laundry, so here's me folding a whole basket of clothes. Laundry is definitely my least favorite chore to do. I always dread doing it. I would like you guys to comment down below what your least favorite chore to do is. I'm sure a lot of you will agree. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am planning on doing some more cleaning videos, so stay tuned for that. But I do want to thank you guys again for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!